Are you dreaming of wide open spaces, incredible views, and a place where you and your horses can truly feel at home without giving up all the convenience of town life? Well, I found it for you. Welcome to 26 Badger in beautiful Rolling Hills, Wyoming, just a couple minutes outside of Glen Rock, Wyoming, and about 25 miles from Casper, Wyoming. This is where peaceful country living meets modern comfort. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and this is Leroy, my 10-year-old gelding, and we are going to show you around this property. Right off the bat as you walk in, you're going to notice this oversized foyer, which is such a win. No squeezing in with the groceries or the gear. There's plenty of space for boots, backpacks, and muddy paws, and it comes right in from the double car garage. It immediately feels like home, built for real life. Upstairs, you'll find a light and bright open layout. You can see how open this area is. Kitchen, dining, and living room all together. And I didn't want to forget to tell you this house has newer vinyl windows. All right, now in the kitchen, you have stainless steel appliances that are so nice, wood cabinetry, lots of counter space, and I love this backsplash. Now to finish off the upstairs, we have 2 bedrooms and a full bath. These bedrooms are spacious, light and bright, and both have plenty of storage. Downstairs, there's another bedroom and a full bathroom, plus flex space you can customize to fit your lifestyle, whether that's a home gym, an office, a movie room, or another bedroom. Newer slider off the dining room, and you step out onto this massive covered deck, and you take a deep breath because it's that relaxing. This is your spot for coffee in the morning, hosting friends in the evening, and watching your horses graze against the backdrop of the open sky and rolling hills. It's peaceful, private, and just the kind of space that slows everything down in the best way. I was stressed before and I feel very calm now. The 4-stall barn is equipped with electricity. There's also runs off of the stalls, as you can see here, and there's room to, of course, bed down your animals, store feed, tack, and gear, whatever you need to support your rural lifestyle. The full perimeter fencing means it's ready for your horses on day one. This property truly checks all the boxes for anyone who wants to live the country lifestyle without being too far out. So whether you're looking for a place to ride, room to breathe, or just a slice of Wyoming to call your very own, 26 Badger in Rolling Hills is calling your name. Give me a call today to schedule your private tour. Maybe I'll even bring Leroy. Remember, we want you and your horses to love where they live. See you soon. Okay. Okay. Okay, I got it. Spot. Why isn't this not working?